not a game, it's a rich thing.
Guys, welcome to a new video from my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI videos for 100% free. First of all, you have to open your internet browser and type Pixeverce AI. Then click the first link. You must be logged first to the Pixeverce AI. Without logging, you cannot generate any image or video. There are many AI videos in Pixeverce AI. You can watch them. You can watch them and download anyone. But I'm going to generate AI video. You have to click Videos tab. I type, a girl is running through a village. Then you have to click Create. Wait some seconds. Guys, this AI tool is very fast because the AI video is generated in 2 or 3 seconds. Then you can click the video you generated by AI. Oh my god, guys, look at the video. It was very beautiful and creative video generated by this AI tool. You can see the girl is running through a village. It was very creative video. Okay guys, let's generate another video. In this time, I chose a picture from my Windows gallery.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I chose the Mr. Bean photo. Okay, let's make the AI video. I type, this guy is driving a motorbike. Okay, let's generate it. Wait some seconds, guys. I generate my second video using this AI tool. Let's watch it. Oh guys, look at the creative. This AI tool is very popular AI tool. I recommend you to create AI videos using this tool. This is very good AI tool I have seen. I want to generate some videos from this tool. So I generate my third video. I type, a man is running in the forest. Okay. Let's generate it. Let's play that. You can watch, guys, the man is running through a village. I think this is so much for my video. Okay,
It's not a game.
guys, look at the reflection from the sun. It was very creative, guys. Okay, guys, let's exit from this AI tool. Then we go to our second free AI generator tool in this video. Guys, the second AI video generator is David AI. You have to open your browser and type David AI. Then click the first link you appeared. You must be login this AI tool before you generate AI videos. Without logging, you cannot generate any AI videos from this tool. Okay? Then you have to type your description to this place. I type a cat is fighting with a dog. Then click the create icon. Guys, this AI tool is too slow, but not too much slow. Okay, you have to wait some seconds. Okay, guys, let's wait some seconds. Okay, guys, the video has appeared. Let's play it. Oh guys, look at the video. It was very nice video. Now you can close the window. You can generate more videos using these two tools I have. Okay guys, if you liked my video, please like and subscribe.